Okay. See, till now, what are the things we have finished and exactly if you remember? This part only, right?
Yeah.
How many weeks did we take for this?
For almost 8 weeks.
Okay, see, that's what exactly like there are so many things which come into picture. The same process will get repeated. Okay, for example, like if you are given an API, designing it, okay, and then importing it, okay, after that, following best practices, error handling, okay, and logging, and then property acceleration of properties and encrypting your sensitive properties, okay, and writing M-units or recording M-units. Okay, this is the same process for every API and maintaining the orchestration. See, first of all, please understand once you get one requirement to your table, what you have to do, you have to clearly understand the requirement. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, this is the second step. This is the third step. If you understand that, the development and orchestration is very, very easy. See, for example, like if you wanted to start RAML, what are the things you require? You require what is the request? Any headers are there? Any query parameters are there? Any URI parameters are there? And what are the what is the body? And what is the response structure? And what is the error response structure? If you have those details, what you can do? You can do the API specification very easily. Before starting it, if you get the requirement, if it is unclear, you know now what are the questions you have to ask the business team or your team lead. So that way you have to be very clear. It's very, very simple. For the last 8 weeks, whatever we have seen, that will repeat in your job every day. Some are the other things with some little extra things. That's it. So very, very important. You have to understand that entire process. And if I wake you up in the sleep also, you have to understand that process and you have to be very clear about it. If I ask you, you should answer. So it's very, very critical to understand like what is this API-led we understood what is API-led architecture, how the uh, request flows from start to the end and how the policies work, how you are importing it to your studio, how all these things have been covered. So it's very, very important. You have to have a very strong hold on the total process. What to do, how to do, and when to do. Exactly. Fine. Now, see, this part is over. And why I did this not in the queuing mechanism, but why I did this in the batch processing? Because I wanted to introduce you people with the batch processing. So I did that exactly. Okay. Now I have while explaining the project, I have told you we can do the same through queue also. Mostly in real time, they will follow the queuing mechanism. Exactly. What after Salesforce, they will publish the message to a queue, for example. Now here I will put another application instead of scheduler. What I'll try to do, I will try to listen to the message and immediately I'll do the entire process, whatever I have done in the batch processing. Now, what happens exactly? Whether do you require to do the batch processing there?
No.
No, why? Because you're receiving message by message, right? Exactly. Okay, so it will handle automatically message by message. There is no problem. No need of handling the huge data, and you can go through the normal process itself. Now you will get an experience of developing batch processing as well as a regular. What is this architecture known as? Event-driven architecture. Exactly.
Event-driven.
Event-driven. Because what happened here? There is a event happened from the user. What event? He has done a transaction, and that transaction happening is an event. Okay, whenever there is an event, there is a process happening. So we call this as an event-driven architecture. Got it right?
Okay, got it.
Yeah, fine. Now this particular segment is very, very, very important. Go through them twice, thrice, or 4 times, or 5 times, based on your comfort. Exactly. And first time it's okay, go with the lower speed. Second, third, fourth time, go with 1.5 or whatever the speed is there. Now, chal, that's fine. Now, what is the other requirement in loyalty management now? Can someone say me the requirement here? See, I have calculated my points and they're ready. What is the next step?
We need to store that points in database.
Already we have done, right, as part of the batch process.
Now we
And
need to
revoke.
retrieve
Retrieve.
the points.
When the transaction is cancelled, we need to revoke that points.
No. As part of our batch processing, loyalty pointer scheduler API itself, what did we do? We took the transactions from Salesforce system, and then we calculated for each transaction what is the number of points, and then with the help of third-party API, and then we dumped them data into database, right? Already this database has for member ID 1, 500 points. For member ID 2, 750 points. Member ID 3, 10,000 points. Like this, already I have the data. But now, what is the next process after I have the calculated points exactly?
You should give back the number of points. Like,
no, you have to use those points, right? Yes or no? Right?
Yeah.
How do you use those points? Either through purchasing vouchers, or either through maybe that particular bank itself will have a portal and they will keep some items there, and they will keep the points in the DOM. For example, they have shown one mixer grinder. They showed that mixer grinder required 20,000 points, for example. Now, if you have 20,000 points in your data account, can you purchase that mixer grinder? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Is it clear or any confusion? Hello?
Yeah, Mahesh.
Is it clear or
That's fine.
still? Huh?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay. See, but I am not talking about the portal. One requirement what I took is, see, for example, like I have points. I have designed one system. Okay. I spoke with Amazon. See, for example, like this is ICICI Bank, for example. Okay. I spoke with Amazon and Flipkart and Myntra, for example. And I have provided some vouchers in the portal. This is the portal, for example, front end, and I can present it to the users, the consumer. Okay. Now, for example, I'll take the example of Amazon only. Amazon, I have 500 rupees voucher, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. For 500 rupees voucher, I require 2,000 points, for example. For 1,000, 8,000. For 2,000, maybe 16,000, or make it as 15,500. Okay. I'm just giving a random number. Exactly. Okay. For 5,000, maybe 35,000. I have provided these number of vouchers in the front end website of the bank. Now the user has 10,000 points in his account. He knows, right? With the help of check API, check reward points. See, another API you can develop is check reward points. What you can do, just you can build one API and then get the member ID from the person. Okay, API will receive only the member ID, and then based on that member ID, you can go to the database, select total points for this member. from this table where member ID equal to this member. Automatically, you can show the reward points, right? You can build another API, right? Yes or no? You got the requirement or no? Actually, for checking the reward points.
Yeah, man.
Okay. See, now he knows what is the number of points. I told you 10,000 points. Now he understood, right? Okay, I have 10,000 points. Now I'll be able to purchase something out of it exactly. Okay, now I went back to, can I claim this? No, why? I require 15,500 points, but I have only 10,000. I cannot opt for this also. It is not possible. Now what I can do, I have the option of this one as well as this one. What I'll do immediately. See, it's a wrong calculation, right? For 500, I told 2,000. 1,000, it should not be more than 4,000, right? Okay, 4,000. And for 2,000, it will be around
8,000. 2,000, 8,000.
maybe 7,800 or something like that. This one, 5,000. 4 5s, 20,000. 20,000 means maybe 19,500. Okay, now it's clear. Now I have 10,000 points in my account. Already I know that. Okay. Now what I can redeem? I can redeem this one, or this one. Okay. For example, I wanted to purchase a 2,000 coupon, 2,000 Amazon voucher. Now I have given the feature. See, once you select the coupon there and then click on that claim coupon. Okay, this 2,000 coupon will be selected here, and then it will send the request to claim coupon API. Now, what this API should do? Can someone help me out?
First, we need to check the database. How many points will be there?
For example, like, what is the request now? A Amazon voucher for how much? 2,000 rupees.
2,000.
Now 2,000 rupees Amazon voucher. What is the cost actually? 7,800.
points.
And whether the member has the points required for purchasing that voucher, that minimum check has to be done, right? First.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That member is available and member has sufficient points. Now what I should do? Guys, please participate.
Yeah.
We need to separate the points. Provide the coupon.
Now what should we do? We should reduce the. Now I have 10,000 points. Out of 10,000 points, I should reduce how many points?
7,800 points.
7,800 points. Okay, I should reduce that 7,800 points. And how many points should be updated to the that particular member ID?
400 points.
2,200 points. He will have 2,200 points. And then you should give the coupon ID and all details, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And you will provide the Amazon coupon ID information to
The customer.
the front end. Exactly. Now, he has now 2,000 Amazon voucher. Okay. And when he checks again the reward points, how many points will be there?
Yeah. We need to check. We have 2,400 points.
2,200 points will be available.
200 points. Again, if you don't subtract that, obviously he'll be getting double the marker. Okay. You have to be very careful while designing the logics here. Okay. A lot of testing will happen. Okay. Now, okay, 2,200. Now, what he will do with that coupon?
Try
Can
to
use the coupon
purchase
or
some
we can-
products. on Amazon.
Yeah. Please come again.
They try to purchase some products in Amazon or Flipkart, Mitra.
Now, how Amazon knows this coupon is right valid coupon?
Okay, we need to check the coupon is valid or not. Okay.
No. See, I have given the coupon to Amazon voucher to whom? The user, our credit card user. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now he is going to Amazon website.
Yeah,
And
you need to
he
claim the coupon to use.
Claim.
come again.
You need to claim the coupon once if you get the coupon.
See, already claiming coupon is there, done, right? He has
Yeah.
purchased. This is purchase coupon. He has done it, right?
Okay.
This
Already
is
the
only purchase coupon. He's purchasing the coupon. Instead of money, he's paying points actually. That's it. Simple, right? Okay, that is done. Now he has received the voucher. Now he went to Amazon website and he's trying to purchase the products for some amount. Now he will use this coupon there. What happens if he uses that coupon? That's the question. Now, how Amazon knows this coupon is a valid coupon or not?
okay.
You got my point?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
Mahesh.
got it.
Please tell me the solution for it.
Maybe the Amazon describe the it describes the type of coupon which should be given by this bank.
For example, okay. For example, this is Amazon. I have exposed ICICI Bank as an exposed an API to check the coupon. You got it?
Yeah.
See,
Yeah, Mahesh.
while checking out from Amazon, while making the payment, what he will do? He will select the voucher. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now,
Definitely.
Amazon will send the request to ICICI Bank. I received this coupon. Already it will have information, right? Who generated this coupon? Because we already have a tie-up, right? Yes or no? While keeping here
Yes.
itself, while placing my Amazon vouchers itself, we will always discuss with them and then only we'll keep it here. Exactly. Okay. Now, Amazon will consume our redeem or redeem API. First thing, forget about revoke, redeem API. Now, the user entered Amazon website and he purchased some products of, for example, like 10,000 rupees. But what is the value of your coupon?
7,800
No. That is points.
points. Okay.
2,000, right?
2,000. Yeah.
He applied voucher. Okay. And remaining payment, he's paying through credit card or debit card or whatever it is exactly. Okay. Now, this 2,000 request, Amazon will send to ICICI Bank. But how Amazon will send to ICICI Bank? We will expose an API to them. Got it? Any confusion here?
A little bit confused.
Okay. This part is clear, right? I purchased the coupon.
Yeah.
This is clear for everyone? Please answer. Then only I'll understand. Otherwise, I'll move on. What about others? You people are understanding it? Okay. I purchased the coupon. I have the coupon with me. Now, the user went to Amazon website.
Okay.
And he searched some products and he finalized worth of 10,000 rupees. Now, if you observe in the Amazon payment option, they will give us multiple options, right? For example, like Amazon or Flipkart, whatever it is exactly. Okay. Now what happens? You can pay by card as well as some vouchers also. Okay, both options. For example, now I entered the voucher here. What is the voucher value?
2000 rupees.
Now Amazon will send this 8,000. How it is paid?
Debit code.
This Amazon API, Amazon system will send a request for this coupon to ICICI Bank, because they don't know whether it is a right voucher or wrong voucher, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now, if they wanted to communicate with ICICI, how they can communicate? With the help of an API, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's why
Yes, ma'am.
ICICI is exposing an API. What is that API known as? Redeem API. Okay, revoke, I'll come to that. What is the meaning of redeem? Redeeming the coupon. I'm using the coupon. Got it? Okay. Now the request will come here. If the request comes here, what should we do now?
Small.
We need to check
Mahesh
the
garu, చిన్న
opening
doubt.
is valid or not.
Come again?
ఇది కెన్ యూ సే ఇన్ తెలుగు క్లెయిమ్ రిడీమ్ రివోక్ ఈ మూడు వర్డ్స్ తెలుగులో చెప్తారా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వర్డ్స్
క్లెయిమ్ అంటే కొంటున్నామండి, కూపన్ కొనుక్కుంటున్నాం.
ఓకే
ఐఎమ్ పర్చేసింగ్ ద కూపన్. నేను కూపన్ కొనుక్కుంటున్నాం. ఏంటి? 2000 rupees కూపన్. What is the points I paid for it?
7,800 points.
Because see, points is not equivalent to rupees కదా వాళ్ళ
Yes.
ఉద్దేశంలో. అందుకని 7,800 points పే చేస్తే నేను 2,000 rupees కూపన్ ఇస్తాను మీకు.
Okay.
ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కూపన్ వచ్చింది పర్సన్ కి, యూజర్ కి.
User open
ఇప్పుడు ఈ కూపన్ యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకొని, ఇది అమెజాన్ వోచర్ కదా, నేను చెప్పాను అమెజాన్ కూపన్ పర్చేస్ చేశాను. నేను ఎక్కడ దీన్ని రిడీమ్ చేసుకోగలుగుతాను? అమెజాన్ లోనే కదా.
అమెజాన్ సైట్ లో
అమెజాన్ సైట్ లోకి వెళ్ళి చేశాను. బట్ స్టిల్ అమెజాన్ కి ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది ఈ కూపన్ ఐసిఐసిఐ వాడు ఇచ్చాడు, ఇది ఒరిజినల్ కాదని ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది దానికి? ICICI will expose an API to Amazon, while Amazon getting the payment, sending the payment details from the user. It will collect the coupon details or coupon ID enter చేస్తాడు అక్కడ. యాక్చువల్ గా ఆ లాస్ట్ చెక్అవుట్ పేజ్ లో, పేమెంట్ పేజ్ లో ఎంటర్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తాడు? he will take submit, payment submit. అప్పుడు ఒక రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈ 2000 పాయింట్స్ కి ఐసిఐసిఐ బ్యాంక్ వస్తుంది, 8000 పాయింట్స్ కి డెబిట్ కార్డ్ అని చెప్పాను కదా, డెబిట్ కార్డ్ దాని ఆ కంపెనీకి వెళ్ళొద్ది. అంతేనా?
ఓకే.
ఓకే, ఈ రెండు వచ్చిన తర్వాత దెన్ హీ విల్ మేక్ ఇట్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. బట్ అవన్నీ మనకు సంబంధం లేదు. మనకు సంబంధం ఏంటి? మన 2000 కి రిక్వెస్ట్ వచ్చిందా లేదా? వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు వచ్చిన తర్వాత ఏం జరగాలి? నౌ క్లియర్ అండి?
ఓకే మహేష్.
యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి తర్వాత.
ఇప్పుడు మన డేటాబేస్ లో నుంచి ఈ కూపన్ వాడేసామని చెప్పి మనం ఇక్కడ చేసుకొని ఇది ఒరిజినలా కాదా, ఇది ఉందా లేదా వాలిడేట్ చేసి వాడికి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ పంపించాలి. మన డేటాబేస్ నుంచి రిమూవ్ చేయాలి.
ఆల్రెడీ వాడేసామని చెప్పేసి
వాడేసామని చెప్పి, లేకపోతే డబుల్ టైమ్ త్రిబుల్ టైమ్స్ వాడుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే మనం అప్డేట్ చేయకపోతే మళ్ళీ వాడుకోవచ్చు కదా వాడు. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డూ, ఐ విల్ రిమూవ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ మై డేటాబేస్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ ఆ కూపన్ ఐడి మన డేటాబేస్ లో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేసి, ఉంటే ఆ కూపన్ ని తగ్గించి నెగిటివ్ చేసి, దెన్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు అమెజాన్ సేయింగ్ దట్ దిస్ కూపన్ ఈస్ valid and you can consider it as a 2000 rupees payment. Now Amazon has received.
అంటే మనం కూపన్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు వాటి డేటా కూడా మనం డేటాబేస్ లో సేవ్ చేస్తాం.
ఎవరి డేటా అండి?
ఇప్పుడు కూపన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు కదా సార్, అంటే
మనది కూపన్ టేబుల్ లో ఆ కూపన్ ఐడి బేసికల్ గా మనం పాయింట్స్ అయితే తగ్గించినప్పుడే మళ్ళీ కూపన్ ఐడి, కూపన్ పాయింట్స్, దానికి సంబంధించిన కూపన్ నెంబర్ కూడా ఒక టేబుల్ సేవ్ చేసి పెట్టుకోవాలి డేటాబేస్ లో.
ఓకే.
ఓకే, అదే కూపన్ ఐడి ఇప్పుడు మనకు వస్తుంది అమెజాన్ నుంచి. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇక్కడ వీడికి నేను ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కూపన్ ఐడి 1234 అని వెళ్ళింది అనుకోండి అండి. ఈ అమెజాన్ వోచర్ 1234. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వీడి పేమెంట్ లో 1234 ఎంటర్ చేశాడు. ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఈ 1234 వచ్చింది. ఈ 1234 నేను బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో చెక్ చేసి, ఓ ఇట్ బిలాంగ్స్ టు మెంబర్ సో మెంబర్ అండ్ హీ హ్యాస్ ఈ 1234 మన దగ్గర నుంచి కొన్నాడు అని చెప్పేసి ఆ 1234 రెడ్యూస్ చేసేసి కూపన్ ని ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ, and then I'll send a success response to Amazon. This is a valid coupon. You can go ahead and reduce the పేమెంట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ.
payment.
ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2000 కి రిక్వెస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది, 8000 కి డెబిట్ కార్డ్ దగ్గర నుంచి వాళ్ళకి సక్సెస్ వచ్చింది, రెండు కలిపి సక్సెస్ అయినా కాబట్టి 10,000 కి పేమెంట్ జరిగిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కన్ఫర్మ్డ్ ఆర్డర్. ఎస్ సార్.
Yeah, man. 10,000 clear చేసుకుంటే ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొక జర్నీ వచ్చింది ఏంటంటే, ఈ అమెజాన్ వాడు అన్ని ప్రోడక్ట్స్ డెలివర్ చేశాడు, వాడికి ఏది నచ్చలేదు, మొత్తం రిటర్న్ పెట్టాడు. అమెజాన్ వాడు ఏం చేస్తాడు?
కూపన్ రిటర్న్ ఇచ్చేస్తాడు యూజర్ కి. మేబీ
కూపన్ పాడికి కూపన్ రెడీమ్ రివోక్ అవ్వాలి,
రివోక్ అవ్వాలి.
8,000 డెబిట్ కార్డ్ లోకి క్రెడిట్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే.
అంతేగాని 10,000 డెబిట్ కార్డ్ లోకి ఇవ్వడుగా.
లేదు.
అర్థమైందండి? దిస్ ఇస్ ద అందుకు రివోక్ ఇచ్చా. Now Amazon wanted to revoke this coupon. He can revoke it, right? Redeem ki revoke ki okay API వాడాను. I can use different endpoints right there.
Yeah.
So revoke ఎందుకు? Now Amazon will receive a return request, and return request వాడు మళ్ళీ రీఫండ్ ప్రాసెస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ 2,000 రూపీస్ కి వీడికి కూపన్ దగ్గరికి ఐసిఐసిఐ బ్యాంక్ మనం రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపించి ఆ కూపన్ ని రివోక్ చేసి పెట్టేసేయాలి. ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ. అండ్ మనకి అప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఆ రిక్వెస్ట్ మనం తీసుకొని మన బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో మళ్ళీ +1 ఆ కూపన్ పెట్టుకొని, ఆ కూపన్ అనేది ఇంకా ఇది అవ్వలేదు అని చెప్పేసి స్టేటస్ పెట్టుకుంటే దెన్ మళ్ళీ ఫ్యూచర్ లో ఆ 2,000 రూపీస్ కూపన్ వాడు వాడుకోవచ్చు. ఇస్ దట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్?
Yeah, Mahesh. It's clear.
Yeah, clear, Mahesh.
Okay, this is the requirement we are going to implement. Okay, this part I told you, right? This is not required exactly. Okay, leave about it. See, here also there are different scenarios. For example, like what happens with the partial payment? For example, like he purchased it for only 1,000 rupees. Okay, and he is using 2,000 voucher. What should happen? Okay, these are all the kind of enhancements you may get in the project. First, they will build the basic functionality, then slowly they will enhance it. You got the point, right?
Yeah,
Initially, what they do, if it is for 2,000 rupees only, then they have to use the coupon. Okay, and it should be more than that, or for lesser than that, they are not going to support in the initial days. Later on, for example, like they wanted to, the problem statement is, even if the coupon is higher for a low value order of from the user, it has to be utilized. For example, like he placed a 1,000 rupees order and he used 2,000 rupees coupon. Now what should I do? I can reduce 1,000 rupees from that, and I can generate a new voucher for another 1,000 rupees and send another coupon ID also. Yes, sir. Again, now the functionality will become so complex. Okay, if you dig deeper about this project itself, you will have so many enhancements and so many APIs and so many different implementations. But I don't want to complicate that whenever you are doing, because that you will learn once you go inside the company. But here, understand the high level functionality and basic features. Exactly. The fundamental features. Is that clear to everyone?
Yeah, Mahesh.
Yeah, what about others? ఏంటి అర్థం కాలేదా ఏంటండి? ఎవరు మాట్లాడలేదు? ఏం అందరు పడుకున్నారా, నిద్రపోతున్నారా ఏంటి?
లేదండి.
గొంతు చేయించుకొని చెప్తున్నా నేను, అందుకే. ఓకే, ఫైన్. యా, ఎవ్రీవన్ క్లియర్ కదా? నో వన్ హ్యాస్ డౌట్, రైట్? Okay, this is the one. Now, how many APIs are there for us to develop? 2 APIs, claim coupon API and redeem or revoke coupon API. If we develop these 2 APIs, then this particular project will be done. How many APIs are there? See, even for claim coupon API and redeem coupon API, again, you need to follow the API-led architecture. And can you do that?
We can, I think. But
Yeah, because claim coupon API should be initiating from where? Front end, right?
Yeah, front end.
Okay, then front end means again you cannot directly give the system API to the front end system, right? So again they will follow the API-led architecture, and they will see it is up to the architect to decide like whether to go for a new experience API or they will use the existing experience API and all. Okay, and then they do the rest of the process. See, if I start doing it again, how many days it will take for me? I will take another again 2-3 months. So I will not be developing experience process and system API, but the basic functionality, the system API, which will consider the claim coupon API. If I do that, process and system API, process and experience API will be almost similar, right? And policies and all will be similar, right? In the similar fashion, we can implement, right?
yeah.
So I ask you people, I will tell you and I will explain you the claim coupon API, and you follow the API-led architecture and do the rest of the process. Okay, that is one thing. And redeem and revoke functionalities I am including in one itself, one API, and I will build another API, and you can follow the same architecture exactly. But claim coupon API is exposed to whom? Our front end, ICICI Bank front end only. Redeem and revoke coupon functionality is exposed to?
I see.
No, only
No.
Amazon only. See, only Amazon means I mean to say for Amazon vouchers. If it is Flipkart vouchers, for Flipkart, you got it right. Why not I say because the coupon is purchased already. Okay, so Amazon only here. Is that clear? Okay, now what is the time now? 11:17, right? We'll connect at 11:30, and then we'll start checking the claim coupon API, and then redeem and revoke API. Exactly.
Okay.
Okay, I'll open the studio and then we'll see the implementations of these 2 APIs. What all this knowledge is known as business functionality. Okay, understanding of the business. Okay, it's very, very important to understand the business and then convert that into our technical implementation, and then only it will be helpful for you to write the orchestration in the MuleFlow. Okay, if you don't understand this, you'll never be able to do the orchestration properly. Instead of doing one in the first step, you'll be doing it in the second or third step. Okay, that will be a confusion exactly. So it is very, very important to understand the business process from where the transaction is getting initiated and how it will propagate, and then what are the different systems it is touching. Okay, and different systems from when it is touching first system, when it is touching second, when it is touching third, whether there is a possibility of touching these three systems in parallel, or whether it should go in the sequential, and whether how to use that first, second, third, or 3, 2, 1, or 2, 1, 3. What is the combination I have to use exactly? You need to understand all these things. It will be a major input while designing the orchestration or while writing the orchestration. So it's very important to understand the business aspects of your API. Okay, I told you the process, right? Just go through the document, and if you don't understand the document, try to read it 2 to 3 times and discuss with your business team and discuss with your technical lead. Okay, but before discussing with them, go through the document multiple times, try to understand it, and then start the API. Means initially it will be a little difficult for you to understand the documentation and all, understand the business scenarios, but make it a habit, irrespective of you understand or don't understand, make it a habit of going through the documents, discussing with the team members and discussing with the team lead and business team, then start working on it. Straight away, don't jump into development, because after 5 years or 6 years of experience, right, you people have to lead again a set of people. Okay, whenever you want to lead a set of people, what happens? You need to understand the business functionality, and you need to delegate this technical tasks to your team members. When you wanted to delegate them properly, you should understand this process. Okay, what is the total requirement, and breaking them into multiple pieces and dividing them into multiple members. Okay, and if they get any doubt, you have to there. So if you start doing that from the initial stages itself, what happens? By the time you become 6, 7 years of experience, when you are promoted or going into the lead position, it will be very, very easy. Otherwise, I see so many people who always stay as a developer even for 10, 15 years. It is their choice, that is fine. But still, the problem is you'll not get paid more. So I always suggest, like, you have to get paid more as well as have a good career path. So I'm suggesting that. Yeah. Now I'll go to Anypoint Studio. Starting. Okay. Here we wait. See, whatever we discussed, Krishna, right now, right? See, there in the first transaction system API itself, we'll publish the message to queue, and there you will take that message, and then we'll talk to the third party API, and then what is the next step?
We get the character points. Now we need to
Okay,
call
I think this is another extra one,
work.
and we'll check whether he's an existing member or a new member, and then insert or update based on the member type. Exactly. It's a very simple implementation here. Exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Again, doing the ML, All these things are very, very important. Okay. But our class will not discuss all those things. How do you do that? You have a request. Okay. You can go ahead and do the RAML response, request response, headers, query params, URI params, all those information. If you have, that's more than sufficient to start doing the RAML. But you follow all the best practices while practicing. Okay, for example, like this is the coupon claim API, what we were discussing at this point of time. This is the one. Okay, with the help of this claim coupon API, what is the functionality what we wanted to achieve? We will assign or create a coupon, okay, based on the points availability, and then we'll give the coupon to the member. Exactly. Okay, that is the motto of this particular API. Now, what shall we do? See here, we received the request and we didn't follow any best practices here. Okay, directly we have designed. We as a through listener, we are getting the request, and then we'll set some initial variables here in the transfer message. Okay, maybe start timing or whatever we discussed in the initial stages, right? I think almost like same initial set of variables, and then I'm going to the actual implementation. Okay, see here, what is the implementation? Did I follow the logging here? Did I follow any logging? No. Did I follow the error handling? No. Did I follow the RAML structure, API specification? No.
Mm.
But you people have to follow and do it. Exactly. Now, your question will be like, what is the request for this API? What will be the response of this API? Okay, error response, already you can follow the same kind of error response what we followed for system API. Okay, so you have to understand that first. Okay, claim coupon is successful. We should pass the coupon ID also. Okay, fine. We'll see that. Now what happens? First of all, we'll receive the request. After receiving the request, what is the thing we have? Select coupon ID, coupon points, coupons used, coupons available. Just give me a second. Is there any confusion here? Why select exactly? This is member points, registration fee, third party one, Sasync, okay, transaction. Just give me a second. SAPI, PAPI, EAPI, point registration API. This one. Member coupon claim API. Okay. Okay. Remaining. It's correct only. Okay. Okay. I was confused. Sorry. It's correct only. See what is happening. We can do two things exactly. Okay. Okay. Fine. Now see. Sorry for taking time here. I was little confused exactly. Okay, but still, the same only. I'll just explain. Here, now user is trying to initiate the request for example, like Amazon voucher, right? Amazon voucher. What is the amount? We discussed for 2,000 rupees, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this voucher will have one ID, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now this ID and request will be passed to our API. Maybe coupon ID, and I require this member ID also, right? Maybe credit card number or member ID, whatever it is exactly. If I have that, I can check out whether that particular, for example, like whether I have this Amazon voucher or not with me. Yes. Okay. I can check Amazon voucher is available. Okay. For 2,000 rupees. And then immediately what I'll try to do, I will check the points also for this member ID. Okay. I have the points also. And then I will reduce the points from that particular member ID. And then I can deliver a successful message to them. Exactly. Okay, you got the point, right? From here itself, I'm getting the coupon ID and member ID. Okay. And whenever I get, this is ICICI website only. And this is ICICI API end. Is that clear? Any confusion here? Hello?
Yeah, Mahesh.
It's clear, right?
It's here little bit of confusion, Mahesh. Actually,
Confusion. See, same thing what we discussed, same only. I'm not going to, I'm not telling anything new here.
okay.
This only.
You purchase the coupon. Okay.
Claim coupon. I'm discussing what is the request here exactly. I should have that Amazon voucher ID. Okay. Some unique number. And then what is the other number of that particular member? See who is going to purchase the coupon and which coupon. Yes or no?
Yeah, which coupon? Okay, Amazon.
Which coupon and who is purchasing it. If I have
member
both
ID.
those two informations, then only this API will be able to process it in the background, right?
Yeah.
If, for example, like if I don't provide the member ID, how I can check the points availability of that particular member?
Okay,
Or-
okay, got it.
okay, if I don't provide the coupon ID, how I can check whether that coupon is available with me or not?
Means user will provide the coupon ID.
No, not user. Our already ICICI system.
ICICI system. Okay, got
ICICI
it.
system for Amazon 2000 voucher. Maybe there will be one unique ID.
Okay. Okay, ICICI system will provide the unique ID. Okay, got it.
Unique ID. Okay, for 2000. For example, like Amazon 500, it will be different. Okay, if I have this coupon ID and member ID, then only I can check in the background, right? So
Okay.
it should be part of your request. Okay, I will be receiving those two details for me, at least those two details along with the headers and all. Then my API will process the data and then provide the response. See, for example, now first thing for coupons related, I will be saving all the details in a database, right? Maybe database, whatever the system is available for me. Okay, for 2000 related coupons, coupon ID is 1234, for example. Okay, now I have 5 coupons of it. You can see, right? Normally 5 coupons only available, 10 coupons only available, hurry up, these kind of messages in the front end, right? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, see, those kind of information will be available in the background. Now, what I'm trying to check whether I have the coupon or not, actually for that coupon ID. For example, like he's trying to claim 2000 vouchers, but I don't have in the backend database of 2000 vouchers. Now I should give him a saying that already coupons are not available. You will not be able to 2000 ones exactly. Maybe 500 ones are available, 1000 ones are available. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that way, first of all, we are checking the database whether that coupon is available in the database or not. For example, like if it is available. Now, once I check, right, I'll get the success response here. Once I check the success response, immediately what I'm trying to do.
Okay, like it is inventory type. Like we need to check the how just like it is inventory, we need to check the coupon is available or not. Okay.
Yes, I'm checking and I am taking the coupon points from this. One second. Okay, I'm getting a response from here and response. What is the response? Points required for me. Okay, I'm saving one variable coupon points, and this coupon points will consist of all the details of that particular coupon. How many coupons are available? How many? And what is the points required for purchasing that coupon? All those details will be available. Now, I'll check whether that particular member has the points or not, and what is the points I'll get first. Okay. I got the member ID. I'll check whether that member has points or not. Okay, right. He has the points. Now I'll save that in a variable. Okay, member is also having a points. Exactly. Okay, next. In the member table, I'm considering total points as, okay, 10,000. Okay, out of 10,000 points, how many points I have to reduce?
Coupon points.
Coupon points. For example, like for this coupon, how many? 7,000?
7,800.
800. I'll reduce that. Now, what is the total remaining member points? 2,200. Now, I should update that member table as well as coupons table, right?
Yeah.
Okay, coupons also I should reduce by one coupon, right? In the table, which is available.
But
I told
coupon
only
table.
2000 coupons are available, maybe 100 quantity. Now, 100 quantity, I should reduce one, right? Only 99 coupons will be available. So I will be reducing the count in the coupons table. Okay, see here, update coupons info, set coupons used equal to coupons used, coupons available equal to coupons available, where coupon ID equal to coupon ID. Okay, and I'm sending the information to that exactly. Now, coupons update is done. What about the next one? Member points info also we should update, right? Because otherwise, again, 10,000 points will be available. Now I'll reduce the update member points set total points equal to total points where member ID equal to member ID. Now, what are the points which we have to send? Total points equal to remaining member points, which we already calculated here. Okay, 2,200, that points will be updating. Now, I'll be sending a successful information. Along with this, I can send the coupon ID also if required. Okay, and member ID, coupon ID, all those information, and it will be presented in the front end system. Okay, and then if required, I can drop an email also. You can put an email connector here, and then you can drop an email saying that so and so coupon is available for you. Exactly. Okay, that is also, or SMS, whatever it is exactly, like based on your business functionality, you can do the rest of the things also. Okay, now the particular person is has purchased the coupon, right? And the coupon is available with them. What is the next step? Then redeem or revoke, right? Yes or no? That process. This one. This is the implementation of this. Now, for doing this, what are all the things you have to do? You have to decide what is the request for this. Okay. And what is the response for this? What is the error response for this? Okay. This way you can decide and do the RAML, and then you can start the implementation in the same manner. Already implementation we have, right? The same manner, exactly. Database calls as well as some transformations, exactly. You understood the logic? First, I received the coupon and I'm checking that particular coupon is available in my database or not. If it is available, how many points I require? Okay, and then I will check the member. If member is available, and the points, I'll check the total points available with that particular member. And then I will calculate the remaining points for this particular member, because I know what is the number of points required for that particular coupon. And then I know the total points available for that member. I will reduce that and calculate the remaining number of points. Okay. Now, okay, if the sufficient details are not available, what happens? Sufficient points are not available. What happens? We should throw an error. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Throw an error saying that,
Yeah.
okay, this particular person doesn't have that choice condition. Also, you can write it here, and then you can raise an error. Sufficient points are not available, actually. Okay, fine. Now we are considering a success scenario saying that remaining member points available, and then immediately we are updating the coupons information also saying that, okay, this particular member has been allocated with a coupon. So reduce this coupon and coupons available, coupons used. We are both updating in the background, exactly. Okay, then after that, we should update the member with remaining points. Then we should message the person with successful. Here only one thing is missing is, right, we need to create one more unique ID for the voucher, okay, for this particular member, and we should send that exactly. Okay, voucher number. Maybe voucher number means like any specific one number for this particular member. Okay, and that in member table, we'll keep this, or member table or the coupons table, we should, or some other table, coupons, member coupon table or something like that. We should create another table for member. This is the coupon which is active. Okay, and then you can keep that information exactly. So even that way also, you can see, you can implement this in different ways, but try to blindly follow the same structure what we are following here. Exactly. Now, this is done. What happens next? Revoke and, sorry, claim, not claim.
Revoke and redeem.
No. What is that terminology? I forgot. Redeem. Sorry, redeem and revoke. Now, for redeem, what happens exactly? He will send that coupon ID, and will receive the we will receive the coupon ID, right, from that particular transaction. Yes or no? And whenever he is passing that member, he will pass that member ID also along with that exactly. Now we can check whether that coupon has been used or not for that particular member. And then if we check properly, if it is available, we'll give a success response to Amazon. Otherwise, we'll tell invalid coupon. Is that clear?
Yeah. We
Okay.
need to check the coupon.
We should check the coupon, right? For example, like he has sent coupon, okay, and that particular coupon is available in our database or not. Okay, yes, it is available, and it has been used exactly. Now, what you have to do, honestly speaking, whenever we are doing this particular implementation itself, we need to create a unique ID for this particular coupon, and we should attach that to that particular member. Exactly, not a general coupon ID. Another table. We should keep that in the back in the end, and we should update that member ID. Okay, member ID is having one unique coupon ID, which is cost of 2,000 rupees, and then it is active. Now, this is active from Amazon. Will receive that coupon ID or the unique ID, and immediately we'll check in the database that particular unique ID is available or not, and it is active or not. If it is active, then we will reduce that and we'll make it as inactive because the coupon has been utilized exactly for that member, and then we'll send the successful response. Okay, this way we need to implement a redeem and a revoke one exactly. Okay, fine. Here, redeem and revoke, right? Completely, you have to do it as an assignment. Okay, completely, you have to do it as an assignment. Now I'll test this particular application, and show you like what is the response, expected response, and all exactly like how it looks and all. But redeem and revoke completely, you only decide what should be the input, what should be the output, and how it has to be reduced in the background exactly. Okay, and do the API specification completely. Try to follow that and do it. Okay. If you face any of the issues exactly while doing the process, make a note of queries, and then we can connect. This one, what we'll try to do, we'll try to implement, deploy this application and see what happens. Did I configure property files and all? No. So I can directly deploy this application and see like what happens. This happens. Okay, it is deployed, right? Now, do you have the request with me? I don't have the request because I didn't, I think I lost with my Postman collection, I think so. Okay, what should I do? Now I'll see the endpoint, all those details. Can you see the URL? How is it?
Yeah, Mahesh. Members,
Hmm.
member ID.
I'm following what URI parameters, right?
Yeah, URI parameters.
Yeah, now you can
We-
go back to API specification, and then you have to follow this member ID and coupon ID. Two URI parameters should be created. This will be the resource name. Okay. Whether does it have any, what method will you use for this?
member ID.
What method can we use this? Do we require any other information in the body and all?
No. we
Nothing
don't
required here, for example. Like, can I use
require
get itself here?
Yeah, member ID and coupon ID we need. Okay.
Okay, so that way you have to decide. Okay, decide and then do the API specification and response, error response. You can follow the response already we have in the final transformation. Error response we already have for transactions API, right? Same way, headers and all, try to follow the same structure what we followed for transaction system API and cross API and all, and then design the API specification. Okay, now I'll go to HTTP localhost. Okay, 8081. Now, instead of member ID, what should I pass here?
Member ID, coupon ID.
Maybe, for example, like 1, 2. And coupon ID, for example, like 2, 3, 5. I don't have the information, so I'm putting some random numbers. I'll open my database. And what is the database is used for this? Exactly like I'll go back to our
Implementation.
application. Otherwise, I can go to global, right?
We get coupon codes.
See here,
The
Mule 3.
Yeah.
Use Mule 3. Now, what is the coupon table? If you go here, already we have, right?
And then coupons info.
Hmm.
Yeah. Select star from coupon.
And you should can you do this select start from coupons in real time in production database, UAD or with lower environments? That's okay, but production you should never do that. Okay, you should be very careful.
Star is no, don't use in production. Okay.
Means what? Come again.
Yeah. We don't. Okay.
See, the total data will be from table. If it has 1 lakh rows, it will process all 1 lakh rows and it will provide 1 lakh rows.
Okay.
Okay, so we should not do this kind of queries in the production.
Okay, Mahesh.
See, what is the coupon ID? CPN
100.
100. How many points are required?
2000.
Okay, how many coupons are available?
98 coupons are
98 at this point of time. How many coupons are used already?
200.
2. Now, if I wanted to pass in the header, what is the coupon ID which I should pass?
CPN 100.
Sorry, URI parameter?
Yeah,
CPN 100.
100.
And now, which member we are trying to send? We should see that also, right?
Member ID.
Now I'll go to database here. Here, yeah. What is the table name? I'll see. I didn't remember. Member points table. Okay, select star from member point. This one all. How many points required?
2000.
2000. Any member is having points? Those many 2000?
1200.
8000. Member 500, right?
8000, yeah. MEM 500 is.
MEM 500.
Yeah.
Only this person has. Rest of the people doesn't have it. Can I take this?
Yeah, MEM 500.
Okay. Now can I send the request? Add breakpoint here. Hit the request. What is the problem? No listener or endpoint. What may be the issue?
2 slashes in after 8081 port number.
Okay. This will be the issue. Yes, that is the issue. Now, what should we do? We received the request. I'll go to flow reference. Now, see here. We received the request, right? We'll check how many points required.
2000 points. 7800.
Yeah. Now, how many? What is the variable? Coupon points, right?
Points.
You see here, coupon points. Coupons used. Coupon ID. Coupons available 98. What is the total number of points required?
2000.
Coupon points 2000. Okay. Now I am getting the member points available.
Number MEM 500.
Okay, I got the response. Now it is in the payload and I'm saving it in the, before saving it in the variable, it is an available.
Yeah.
See here, how many? Member 500 and 8416. Okay, fine. Now here's points. Now in the variable I have, it is 7 variables. Now it will be 8.
8. We should reduce the points.
No, here it will happen.
Okay.
Okay, in the variable member points, we have this.
Number point.
Yeah. What is the information we are trying to update? We are updating the coupons info table to reduce the number of coupons. Okay, used coupons will be more. Available coupons will be less.
Okay.
We should reduce the available coupons by 1, and we should increase the used coupons by 1. We are doing that. The affected ratio. 1
row affected. Now we get the
affected rows. 1 here. Now can I go to database and check? Okay, for member 500, 8416. Can you see the points?
Yeah, reduce the points.
Okay, 6416. Now if I go to coupons info, see, coupons used is 3. How many coupons are available? 97. It was 98 earlier. 2 coupons exactly. Okay, now. Successful. This way, it will be. See, here we used a very simple response, but in real time and all, it will be a little bigger. Maybe there are different fields. That's it. Nothing complicated or you, as soon as you see that message response, right, it will be little huge and will be scared. Nothing to be worried. Okay, for this particular field, what should be the thing which we have to send? What is the mapping? You can discuss everything with your team members and team leads. Exactly. Okay, why are we sending this field? What is the significance of this field? Okay, you can discuss that. Okay, with this, now your coupon API is ready. Claim coupon. This one, this is ready.
Yeah.
See, I showed you with one API, but what is the way you have to do it? Again, experience, process, and system API. That way you can implement it. Okay, that is one thing. And the second thing is redeem and revoke. What is the input for redeeming and revoking?
Redeem means
See, redeeming means Amazon will send. While Amazon is sending, what is the coupon ID he will use? CPN 100.
CPN 100.
Now from Amazon, you will receive the CPN 100. First, what you will do? You will check in your database whether CPN 100 is there or not. Yes, sir. Actually. Okay. Now, if it is available, what you will do?
We'll try to reduce in update table.
Coupons info table available, right?
In coupons update information.
One second. Where is the table? Actually, what we should do, right? Normally, in the same API itself, what should we do? We should create one unique coupon ID, coupon ID, and we should send that member coupon table exactly. That is the right way. What I mean to feel is, okay, CPN 100 and that voucher ID or something like that. Okay, and voucher ID will be different. Okay, we'll do one thing. This is done, right? We received the response. Okay. Okay, I'll create another table. What is that table? Member.
Points.
No, not points actually. Member.
Coupons.
Maybe voucher. Because coupon ID is different and voucher ID is different, I wanted to keep it as member voucher table. Okay. Fine. Now in that member ID will be one thing. Okay. And what will be the other one?
Coupon ID.
Coupon ID. What is the coupon ID?
CPN 100.
TOUPON underscore ID. Coupon ID. And then what is the other values it can have? Voucher ID also. Okay. Think it as voucher ID. Okay. not null, not null. This can be null, this can be null. Okay.
ఓచర్ ఐడి మనకి జనరల్ గా క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం మహేష్.
We should give one unique number, right? Actually,
Like
see,
random numbers అని చెప్పి
see, coupon ID is a generic coupon ID, Amazon 2000 voucher, 2000 coupon. But for a specific member, we will create one separate voucher for him, right? Actually, and that should be some random characters and random number. Exactly.
ఓకే.
Okay, that's why we are giving a voucher ID. Now, voucher status, we can keep it, right?
ఓకే, ఓచర్ స్టేటస్ ఉంది.
Voucher status means what? Whether it is redeemed or not.
Okay,
Can I
it
keep
is-
it? If it is redeemed, I'll keep it as redeemed. Okay.
Redeemed.
Varchar. Maybe not null, null. That's fine. What should be the unique thing for this? Unique field, voucher ID.
Voucher ID. Yeah,
So I'll keep it as.
primary.
See, for example, like one member, I can have multiple vouchers, right?
Yeah.
One voucher will not have multiple members, right? So no. So it should be unique. Exactly.
Is voucher.
See, member voucher and member ID is there. Okay, varchar not null. Okay, my coupon ID, it should be also not null. Okay, honestly, it should be also filled. And the voucher ID, it should not be not null because it is primary, right?
Yeah.
And then voucher status, it should also not be null. Actually, all are important here. So I'm creating this table. Okay, some error. What is the error?
SQL syntax something.
Create table member underscore voucher
Where
varchar 20 not null. Okay, it is asking for default exactly. Okay, it is also.
Again.
1 second. Check the manual that corresponds to your this thing. Coupon ID double default. Coupon ID. It can be integer also, right? Okay, still there is a problem. Member ID varchar 20 not null. Okay, there is some problem with the query, right? We should check it out. Exactly. What is that? Create table member underscore voucher. It's clear only. And member underscore ID. Any single quotes missing somewhere, it's proper only. And member ID varchar 20 not null. Okay, primary key voucher ID. Okay, maybe this is the problem. Oh, it should be varchar actually.
Varchar is best.
Varchar of maybe 25. Okay. Default not null. Okay. It should be some random number. Member ID. Okay. Coupon ID also varchar only, right? CPN something. Yeah. Even this is also integer. Okay. Voucher status varchar. Okay. We'll see. Okay, then there is a problem again.
Still,
What is the problem here?
Mahesh, you need to change the voucher ID. Default not null. Spell is it everything okay?
Default not voucher ID, default not null only, right? Because it's unique, right? Exactly. You got the point.
Yeah, okay.
See, voucher ID is the primary key. Okay, it should not be null, right?
Yeah, it should not be null. Okay.
So default not null. It means that if you receive value, it will be allocated from the value. If you don't receive it, automatically table itself will assign some random value for it.
Random. Okay.
Okay, let's. But here I don't see any clear error, right? It's 1 second. Create member voucher ID. Error code 1064. 1064, you have an error in SQL syntax, which check the manual that corresponds to use near not null voucher ID.
Maybe voucher ID default not
Okay,
null.
okay. See, not null caps and small, right?
It should be.
This is the issue or what? No, that is not the issue. You have SQL channel, check the manual that corresponds to use near not null voucher ID var cap
Where
25
status where
var cap anything missing voucher status var cap 20 null. Okay. Okay, we'll do one thing. It's created, right?
Yeah. So,
Okay, this is clearly created. Okay. Now, what is the difference here? Here.
default. Still getting same.
1064, right?
1064.
MySQL 1064 error. Okay. So create table. Okay, client ID small int not null default 0. Okay, whether there is a problem
It's asking
with,
about default value.
okay,
Default.
not null default. Okay, not null default. What is it exactly? Here also D double member ID not null. Okay, I haven't assigned any default value. Exactly. Default null. Here also default
Not null.
not null. Exactly.
But
Maybe
coupon
syntax error only. Exactly. Default. For example, like if it should be not null, I'll use not null only. Why? Right? Not null. Voucher status not null. I will not put any default values. Even member ID also not null. Now I'll do this. Okay, see here.
it's
I think
okay.
the problem is with the default and the syntax exactly.
Yes.
Okay, even I'm not strong in SQL, so
Okay.
obviously what did I do? I went to what to say, internet, and I checked there somehow with a little experience. At least I will be able to correct it exactly. Okay, now the table is
Yeah.
created. Now what is this table exactly?
Member voucher.
Okay, member. For every member, we are trying to create a voucher. Now what should I do? I should go to data here. Again, what should I do before
Before response,
sending? What should I do?
we need to sending the voucher response and voucher status.
It is always insert only, right?
Sorry.
It is always insert only, right?
Yeah.
And can I have multiple vouchers?
In
See,
database.
for example, like if I wanted to purchase 2 vouchers, I can do that, right? Again, if that case, count also you have to keep. You got the point? For example, voucher count also can I keep, right? Voucher
Voucher
ID,
count.
voucher status,
Voucher
voucher count also.
count also. But voucher count we don't require.
Require, I think so. Actually, what should we do? We should, if they purchase multiple, for example, like they selected 2 quantity. Now, what should I do?
In the case we need required. Okay.
Okay, that case again, we have to think and we have to do it. Actually, business people will discuss like and all, and they will try to give you one scenario, and they come up with some discussion, and then they will give it. Okay, but for time being, we are trying to think purchasing one only. Okay, that's why I'm not considering that scenario at this point of time, and I'm trying to do that. Now, what happens here? Shall I keep database insert? And what is the query? Insert into okay, insert into member voucher. Okay, and then values. What are the values actually? Member ID, coupon ID, all these has to be passed, right? If you see any insert here, see here. What is the way we are passing? Insert into table, values, and the same thing, and we will be passing it in the dynamic parameters exactly, input parameters. Okay, that way, what I can do here, values, otherwise I have in the here itself, right? I can do one thing. Okay, colon, member ID, comma, colon, coupon ID, comma, colon, voucher ID, comma, colon, voucher status. Okay. Now this is available. What should we do? We should pass the dynamic parameters like member ID, coupon ID, voucher ID, voucher status. Yeah, it is ready. Now I can use this in the insert. This is fine. Database. I'll use the database configuration. Now, what should I do here? What did I do? Here I have to pass this exactly. fx. fx and then braces. Okay. And then memory ID. What is a memory ID? Do you have memory ID? Yes or no? You'll receive it, right? From the request. Coupon ID. This is also from request. Time being, I'm keeping it as empty, and I'll voucher ID. Do you receive voucher ID or not? You will not receive voucher ID. We have to create that exactly. Okay. So I'm keeping everything.
Okay, we need to create.
Create. What is the procedure to create that?
We need, sorry,
What is the way to create that? Voucher ID,
active.
can I hard code it as active?
Yeah. Redeem,
Voucher state, sorry, voucher status. I
what's
keep
the
it as
status?
active.
Redeem or not? Okay.
See. Okay. Now it is in active mode. It means that it can be redeemable. Now, what is the member ID? How should I pass that?
Where's dot already? We have already.
We have kept it,
the
right?
redeem.
Can I copy it from there?
Yeah. In with is in
Or
update.
yeah. In update coupon
Update
table,
coupon.
I'll have coupon related one.
Yeah. Where's dot required
This one, I'll copy it
copy. Okay.
and I'll keep it.
Insert.
And one more,
It is available in my update number.
available member ID also. Okay, I didn't see that. I'll copy it from here. I'll keep it ready. Now I'll go to
Insert.
insert. For member ID,
Member ID, you need to pass the
for coupon ID, I'll copy it from here. These three
voucher ID.
parameters are set, but voucher ID, how do you do that? That's the question.
We need to do in random function.
Maybe random function can be. See, what is the use of random function in database?
In data, we need to create the random values. Randid, I think.
Hey, what about other people? They left or what?
They already left finish.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, only we both are in call.
Okay, I didn't see that actually. Data we played on. That's fine.
I think randint.
Hmm?
Randint. It is the function we develop for random numbers. Random int.
Okay. For example, if I don't know how to use random function, random data, I can go to MuleSoft documentation. Okay. And returns a pseudo random number greater than or equal to 0.0 less than 1.0. Example generates a pseudo random number and multiplies by 1000. Exactly. Okay.
Okay. By visitor.
Random int, it will generate the number,
Only
integer number.
numbers. Yeah. Only integer numbers will run.
Shall I use random int? For example, like output is
440.
random int of 1000. What happened?
Okay. Within 1000, it give the one number.
Okay, random of 1000.
Within the 1000. Maybe.
But it is giving point itself. I don't want point, right? Okay, then we can multiply with returns a pseudo whole number from 0 to the specified value. Okay, upper bound, a number that sets the upper bound of the, okay, 0 to 1000 exclusively. Okay, now I have given 1000. What happened here? Output is
442.0 something. In detail.
but that is not the case, right? Okay, that's a printing mistake, I think. Exactly.
More than
Can I use random int?
yeah, random integer.
But they will not follow this random and all. They will try to keep, it should be a character combination as well as again a number combination, right? Voucher ID means generally, if you
Yes,
observe any vouchers. And
yeah,
it should be very complex. Okay.
means you mean combination of characters and
combination, and there should be some algorithm behind it. Actually, otherwise, right, these hackers can easily find out this and they create some dummy vouchers and they can easily come back and redeem, right? So it should be a complicated one. It should not be an easy one. So, but
Okay.
anyway, we can use random int.
I will try.
As string. Why I'm doing it as string? Because we have used varchar, right, in system. If you don't use as string also, automatically it will treat as a string and then it will happen.
Okay, string for okay, I got it now.
Hmm. Now, is it okay? We have all the details, right? Now, member ID, coupon ID, and voucher ID. This voucher ID will be passed in the Amazon. You got it?
Yeah.
Now, while revoking, what happens? They will pass the voucher ID. This voucher ID, this will come to this table, and this voucher ID should be, status will be redeemed.
Redeem.
If they come and revoke, again, you will make that token as a voucher status as active again. Okay, got it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now, can I deploy this? Let's see, like save it. Okay, it's deployed.
Yeah. It's deployed.
See, already we know that this particular member has still points, right? 6,000 points.
6,000 points already.
Yeah.
The request.
Now we receive the request.
Implementation. Get token.
Okay, all these we know.
Ready. Okay. Insert publishing.
But insert what happened, we should check that. Effective was 1. Okay. Now, can I send the coupon ID also, voucher ID also here?
If it is possible.
We can map it and send, right? We didn't.
Yeah.
We forgot to do that.
Didn't send it that.
Yeah, here I can keep it as voucher ID and can send the voucher ID also.
Voucher status. Voucher only we need voucher ID. Okay.
Voucher ID. Exactly. Okay. Then at least along with the member ID also. See, member ID, voucher ID also can be given as part of the response here. Now, can I go to the table and see?
Start. Member voucher. Here we
Okay,
go.
see here, member 50 of member 500, CPN 100,
400.
voucher ID is,
Voucher ID.
this is the voucher ID, and it is in active mode. Now, you have the information how to revoke and how to redeem the coupon, right? Redeem the voucher, right?
By using voucher ID, we need to.
Yeah, Amazon will send you the voucher ID. Okay, once you receive the voucher ID, what you should do? You should check whether it is available in the table or not. Select star from member voucher, where voucher ID equal to voucher ID. And status also you need to check, right? See, for example, like they have sent already redeemed coupon, redeemed the voucher.
Is it deactivated now?
See, it is already in, for example, like this voucher is inactive status, already otherwise redeemed status, actually. Okay, redeemed. Now,
okay. Okay.
See, for example, they used this coupon, okay, member 500 CPN 100. Okay, they already redeemed it and the status has become redeemed. Okay, again they have sent it. Now you should check redeemed status, right? Or they cannot reuse, right? The voucher is, you can send it as already used.
Yeah.
And Amazon will tell, oh, okay, you have used your voucher. Please check.
Means it is already value.
Okay, now revoke means it will be redeemed. You should change it from redeem to active once again.
Active once.
Okay,
Redeem.
got it, right?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, this is the way we have to handle it. With this, actually, like we have completed the entire thing. And what I'll try to do, I'll send the discussed details to Kishore Garu by within another 3-4 days, actually, or by next weekend, all these details, and then you can access these videos.
Okay, Manish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Manish.
Okay, there will be no class tomorrow. Please inform them.
Okay, Manish. We'll inform the.
Yeah, because it is completed, right? Already.
Yeah, okay, Manish.